Good morning, USA. We're on a hike. These are my slaves. Say hi.
I think we're almost to the top.
So yeah, we just came up this rock thing and right across. It's a sheer drop. Pretty freaking scary. You think I can ollie? Wait till I get to a flat space. Floss! Peasant? Okay, never do that again. Thank you. So me and Asher are higher up. I got my Biscit. We found some pretty cool. There's a little hut right there. It doesn't look like it, but you can get inside. It's also a big teepee. Looks pretty cool. Asher peed in it, so it's his now. It's your teepee, right?
No.
You claimed it.
No, I did not pee in that.
Well, whatever you peed on, you claimed. So there's also a big hut up there. You can't really see it very well.
I'm gonna go up and look at it.
Yeah, we're gonna go up and look at it. Legitness.
Yeah.
We're off the path. Look.
Why can't you trust molecules? They make up everything. And we ran into this.
Okay, so this is really weird. There's a bunch of different insects, I believe, and they're just everywhere. These little black things right here, and that puddle right there, that's all.
There are a bunch of them over here too. They're on the ground.
It looks like a bunch of rice.
Yeah, it does.
Look at the camera filter.
I was about to say that.
Look at what the camera can see. It looks like rice.
Oh wow, that's super zoomed in and super creepy.
That's so weird. And they were all clustered on the puddle. I don't know what they are. If you guys know what they are, please feel free to call me out. They look like two moving pieces, each one.
Two moving pieces?
Yeah.
Huh.
Or maybe one.
So weird.
I think they have legs.
And it's weird that they're like on top of the water and like
Yep.
getting moved around by the wind.
That's a cool looking tree.
You're
Okay.
cool.
I know. Look at all the peasants.
That's the entirety.
Say hi to the peasants. Hi, John. Bruh.
No, I'm not that mean.
It's just so strange. Look at all these flowers, and that's the one white one.
There's one flower.
You could say it's a lot prettier than me.
You're a lot prettier than me.
In fact, I will say that.
It's a lot prettier than you, John.
Yeah, I know.
Just is.
And then you got these crappy looking yellow ones. They're just a cluster of Fs. cluster fruit. So it's all yellow and purple flowers. There's a couple. There's a purple flower down here. It's pretty cool.
Where? Oh, I see it. Okay.
Yeah, and there's also a really.
Hike down the mountain or just...
Oh, look at this purple flower. This one's really cool. Oh, you guys can't see it. Sorry. It's like a yellow but purple. That's really nice.
Yeah.
Hopefully this makes it into the vlog. I don't think so. Maybe. We got another beautiful flower right there.
You know it.
That dead tree. It looks like someone's hairy back. Okay, do floss then, and then Benea do orange justice. Okay, pop out, go.
They're coming up the mountain now.
Go. Do the default dance. Yes, queen. Yes, queen. Say it, Asher.
No.
Queen. Yes, queen. That's legit.
He hung up.
It's amazing. So windy up here. It's so windy up here, it blew my hat straight off. It almost took my board too. It is really, really nice up here.
What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm scared. Okay, okay. Oh, he got it.
Wrong. He's so high up. He's gonna fall. Oh yeah, that's right. I'm me. Yeah, I got him.
No, he fell down the cliff, guys. No. No, John is dead. John with the C is officially gone. I'm sorry. The channel's done for. We won't see you next time. He's an idiot.